Hi everyone, welcome to the Grounded Grower. Today in this video I'll going to show you how to make the perfect soil mix using cocopeat, perlite, vermiculite and vermicompost. This mix is ideal for growing healthy plants as it's lightweight, well draining and packed with nutrients. Yes, what we have cocopeat, it's sustainable, lightweight growing medium that retains moisture while improving soil structure. Next we have perlite, a volcanic rock that helps the aeration and drainage. And next we have vermiculite, a minerals that retains water and nutrients for consistent plant growth. And next we have the vermicompost. It's nutrient-rich compost made from worm casting to provide essential nutrients for plants. And here we have a mixing container for blending everything together. It should feel like soft. Like always make sure like the cocopeat is damp, not like dripping wet. Now add the perlite and the vermiculite to improve the structure of the mix. For every part of cocopeat, add 1 part of perlite and 1 part of vermiculite. The perlite will help the mix stay aerated and prevent waterlogging, and while the vermiculite retains moisture and nutrients to the roots. Mix everything together until it's evenly distributed, and you will notice how light and fluffy the mix becomes. Finally, it's time to add the vermicompost. This is the powerhouse of nutrients in your soil mix. For every part of cocopeat, add about a half a part of vermicompost. Mixed it all together for the last time, making sure that the vermicompost has been blended to the mix. If it holds itself but crumble easily when touched, then it's the perfect mix. And this ensures proper aeration, drainage, and moisture retention for your plants. And there you have it, the perfect soil mix for your gardening needs. Whether you are growing seeds, vegetables, and flower, this mix will give you the perfect great start. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Grounded Grower for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing, and I will see you in the next video.